There's a very clear class divide in Canada, and something I never really thought about deeply before. So today is Sunday, and had some breakfast with my parents. And on the way home, I went to Leslie and Steele's, and there's like an Amazon return liquidation store. And that store is only open on Sundays, so today I just popped by, and right away I just noticed it's really depressing in there, because the products themselves are people that's been returned right by other people, and they're placed in large bins, and there's a bunch of people just like rummaging through them. So like the whole place just really feels run down and depressing. And, just look at the people inside. The way they dress, and the way they walk. There's like a screaming kid. So that's that place, and downstairs it's a flea market, and I'm not kidding. Like when I walked in, I feel like I'm in like Africa or like India or something, right? It's just like everything just feels so like poor and depressing. It's actually very hard to just be there. This just makes me think that my customers, right? They're like some of the most successful people in this society, and then they have big house, vacations. Yeah, some of their kids are in private schools, like just really, really, cool people. And then, I just think like, even me, right? Like I'm still single, I'm still like hustling. But if I want something from Amazon, I just go on Amazon and I buy new, right? I don't have to, like my time is better used to just like make more money. So, all these influencers, right, who's like actually build a business, they're all saying, things like you can be a lot more successful if you just work hard, because like life is hard like no matter what. So it's better if you just work hard in the beginning, and then like build yourself up, and then the rest of your life will be comparatively easier. So looking at this Amazon liquidation store, it really solidified this belief inside of me, because like you think those people want to spend their Sunday morning like rummaging through like stuff that's already been returned by other people, right? Like you think their life is not hard. And as I left the store, like there's a whole bunch of townhouses nearby. They're all kind of run down, and like so the exterior is not maintained, it's not landscaped or anything, and just makes you. It's really hard on me, honestly. It feels like there's this disconnect between where I am and my customers, and also these people who are struggling. Yeah, so it's hard. There's a friend of mine, a university classmate, and she's got a kid now. So she's been saying how it's tight, and she has to grocery shop and only buy stuff that's on the list. Like she can't just buy whatever she wants. Yeah, man. Just like life is like everyone has their own lives, really. Like we just have to make the best use of what we can, and while I have the body, while I have the health, just gotta hustle and get after it.